117 With a growing world population, one of the most pressing issues is that of feeding such a large number of people. Some people think that GM foods offer a viable solution to this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The issue of feeding a rapidly growing world population is undeniably a significant global challenge, and the question of whether genetically modified, GM, foods offer a viable solution is a matter of considerable debate. The discussion involves weighing the potential benefits of GM foods in addressing food security against concerns related to health, environmental impact, and ethical considerations. Advocates of GM foods *. Proponents argue that genetically modified crops have the potential to address the growing demand for food more efficiently. GM crops can be engineered to be resistant to pests, diseases, and adverse environmental conditions, leading to increased yields and reduced crop losses. Additionally, certain modifications can enhance the nutritional content of crops, addressing specific nutrient deficiencies in populations. The efficiency of GM crops in terms of resource utilization is often highlighted. Crops engineered for drought resistance or optimized resource utilization may require fewer inputs such as water and pesticides, making agriculture more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Critics of GM foods *. On the other side of the debate, critics express concerns about the long-term effects of GM foods on human health and the environment. Some worry about potential allergens or unintended side effects resulting from genetic modifications. There are also concerns about the impact of GM crops on biodiversity and the potential for gene flow to wild plant populations. Ethical considerations involve issues such as corporate control over seed supplies, farmer dependency on specific GM crops, and the impact on traditional agricultural practices. The socio-economic implications of adopting GM technology, particularly in developing countries, are also subjects of concern. Balancing perspectives *. In forming an opinion on the viability of GM foods as a solution to global food security, it is crucial to consider both the potential benefits and the associated risks. While GM technology has the potential to enhance crop productivity and address specific nutritional deficiencies, careful evaluation of its long-term consequences is essential. A comprehensive approach to addressing global food security may involve a combination of strategies, including sustainable agricultural practices, improved distribution systems, and the responsible use of biotechnology. Public discourse, informed by scientific research and ethical considerations, should guide the development and implementation of policies related to GM foods. In conclusion, the question of whether GM foods offer a viable solution to the challenge of feeding a large population is complex and multifaceted. A balanced evaluation that considers scientific evidence, ethical considerations, and potential risks is necessary to navigate this intricate issue and formulate sustainable strategies for global food security.